Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tana. I'm back to recording videos on YouTube on my trading, and it has been a while. I've not recorded myself on YouTube in a long time, showcasing my trading, and it has taken some time. And I'm back. I want to be consistent in recording and showing you how I'm doing and how my trading is going. Today is the 9th July 2025, and I want to show you how my trading is going. So currently I have a good funded account. I want to log into the account. Okay, here's the login. I have a good funded account. This account currently is in phase 1. I have other accounts, but I don't want to show them here in YouTube. I want them to remain a bit private. This good funded account is the one I want to start with in my YouTube channel, because now it's the new account, and I want to show everyone how I'm trading and to remain accountable to myself. So currently, this account, I have one trade taken yesterday, which was a good trade. But currently I did a mistake. It was a loss, 1% loss. I did a mistake on it, but it was fine. I was okay with it, because you learn from your losses more than your winners, and more than your break-even trades. You learn more from your losses. So this trade has taught me a lot, and currently it was a nice trade. I'm currently very bearish on the euro dollar. The euro dollar, I'm bearish towards these levels over here. Currently at 144. Currently we are trading at 170, and I'm expecting this first target here, my first intermediate high, to be taken, and my second intermediate high to be taken later on. And currently this is the early month. It's still early. Today is 9th. No much news going on. Currently it's my trading session going on, and I'm just chilled. I don't have anything going on. I have no setups running. I have no trades. Just 1% loser in my good funded account, which is 1% down currently. You can see in phase 1, 1% down. And I hope to have more trades in this account, but this account I'll take it very slowly. I'll take it very without a lot of pressures, and I hope I can do better. I can do better in this account. So I've not been I've not been recording since March, if I'm not wrong. I'll go back to check my YouTube channel to see when I recorded last. And it's taken a long time. Let me show you my YouTube channel. This was when I was recording. Where? Oh, I'm sorry for that. Here it is. I want to switch my accounts to my YouTube account, and it's a new channel. I recorded a bit and then stopped for some time. That was when I had a bit of a challenge in terms of consistency. I have a bit of challenge in terms of consistency in my trading and in my mental, because of the results I was getting. That account was very result based, and I didn't like that quality about that account. It was very result based, and my account being results based is not a very good thing. I wanted my account to be process based, and by process I want to show you everything that I do. Sorry for that. In order to reach consistency. A consistency is not a place that we go to. It's a change in habit, in change in behaviors, and change in a lot of things that you're doing in order to become consistent. So at that point in my life, like 3 months ago, I wasn't so consistent in my behavior, in my mannerisms, in my journaling, in my trading. I had a lot of mistakes that were coming and going. I had a bit of a lucky streak that upon hindsight now I realize I was lucky for some time, and I want to now become more consistent with myself in terms of my behaviors, in terms of my mannerisms, in terms of my of my journaling, or especially journaling, and in terms of my trading, especially my trading, because now my trading, the way I trade reflects from my life. What I'm doing in my life is what will reflect back in trading. So I want to show you everything now from what I do, I'm sorry, where are my videos? Where are my videos? I want to see where my videos are. Am I pressing the right place? Where are my videos? Oh, sorry, I didn't see that. So my videos, where are my videos? And I want to be extremely consistent with everything that I do, and I want to start showcasing everything that I do, from backtesting, because I'm a very big backtester. I backtest a lot of my trades, and I had done 4 videos, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, my last video was in February. Actually, I thought it was March. My last video was in February. Oh, actually, I had a video before that that I did not release. So I want to start recording consistently and showing you everything that is going on in terms of my trading and my habits and my life. In terms of my backtesting in the morning, I do a lot of backtesting. In terms of my habit tracking, in terms of my behaviors, in terms of my health. I want to showcase everything that is going on, so that I want to be a bit more accountable to myself through showcasing it. So that's all that I'm doing right currently, and I'm waiting for trades. Currently, I'm very bearish on the euro dollar, and as you can see from this rally, I don't think we are going to continue selling today. I think I have a setup here already. I have a setup of minus forming. So in my setups, what I wait for, in my setups, what I actually do wait for, I trade in the 15-minute and time frame. And if you check my previous videos, you'll realize that it has changed from us, and at previous few months, I realized that in the 15-minute time frame is where I'm more consistent, and my data backs it up, that I am able to achieve more results, better results consistently over time through the 15-minute time frame. And currently, as you can see, I am bearish. I'm bearish because on the 4-hour, I'm an ICT trader, by the way. On the 4-hour, we have been, let me clear this up. On the 4-hour, we have been moving from this low point here, going strategically towards this high. So we are moving, creating this low here, this accumulation here, this rally, this accumulation, this rally, and then all of a sudden we broke our first low. So by breaking this first low, we had a return to this area, which is a retracement, and then a push, breaking another low here. So by breaking all these lows, this low and this low here really has changed my perspective in what I'm looking for short term. And by short term, I mean by in the next few days. I'm looking for price to continue dropping. So if I return these drawings, you can see my targets are this low here, which is after this low that was taken, this low was taken here, and after this low was taken, let me put a bit of markers so that you can see what I'm seeing. After this low was taken, my next target will be this low. So if price respects, and as you can see, price has been respecting this low, not wanting to go below it, because from yesterday we had this strong rally to towards this low, which for me, I thought we were going to take it. Then we returned back to this area. This was on Monday, on Saba. Then we went back. So on Monday, I didn't have a trade, because now during my session of trading, we were rallying back to this area. I trade the New York session. So I'm not bullish. So if we are rallying back, then I don't have a trade. So we continued rallying into this gap for our fair value gap, then dropped. After dropping, we created an intermediate. We created a 4-hour. Sorry for that. We created a 4-hour high, intermediate high target. Okay. So after creating this high, now we are dropping into taking this new low. But remember, we have a low here. So I want you to look at this, not from hindsight, from in real time. So we had a low here. So this low here, price rejected into this 4-hour. So the next target is this low. Okay. So with this low taken, this low that I've marked out here, let me now mark it out. When a high and a low are taken, I usually remove and remain a dotted line. So when this this low here was taken, let's now dot it. I was expecting price to return into an area here and then continue dropping. So you see, price is respecting this, then drop. But now price has been dropping. If we go back down, price has been dropping. And remember, I told you I was expecting price to retrace, then continue dropping. And my first point of retracement was this order block. But now, upon hindsight, I've learned something, that when a better point of interest in the higher time frame appears, you go there instead of, you wait for your entry there instead of this entry. Because now, if I took this trade at the better point of entry, which was that, and had my stop just above this, I would have had, if I took that and had my stop just above this, I will have had a 1:3 trade. As you can see, this is a clear 1:3 trade. Okay, so a clear 1:3 trade has formed already and has been hit, just because my entry was better. This entry was better because now it was the 4-hour fair value gap area. I don't know if you can see it, but it was the 4-hour fair value gap area. That's where price tends really to drop, not in where I took my entry, which upon hindsight now I know. But then I didn't consider that, which is something I've back tested, but I have not seen in forward tests. That's why you learn from your losses. So I want to like become better in terms of analyzing my market and becoming consistent, because this time I did not break my rules in terms of my structure. I broke my rules in terms of entry, which is a better entry point where price is likely to go too fast before doing what you want. You get? So it's something that in my data I have to, it's a mistake I tend to do. So I am practically trying to reduce it. So this is the loss I took from that trade, and it's fine. It's fine. Where is this? It's fine. And we learn from your losses, and I'll recover from that drawdown. And it's been good, and I want to do this more often with more ideas in terms of what I can do in different things. And I hope you guys will be there to listen. And peace. Thank you for everything.